No.
Look at this thing, smoke gray poly, baby, for the win.
But yeah, the black trim looks nice with that.
It sure does. Brian, this is right on video. You did an incredible job on this. So, believe me, I am ecstatic.
Better get that roof.
Yeah, because that gave you a little bit of a workout.
Yeah, I like how it came out. I like the roof.
I think it all came out awesome.
I use these, you know, just the regular, what do they call it, microfiber towels. They seem to pick up stuff nice and easy.
Yeah. Dude, that color, I love the color. Smoke gray. All right, well, that's the update right now. I finally got to come up and see it like live. Dude, how awesome would it be if I did a coyote swap in here? Ooh.
Oh my God.
How's the trunk? Here's the trunk area.
Yeah, and all this came out nice. It kept your
all the tags and stickers or whatever,
like
VIN tags. Yep, they're still there. Looks awesome. Oh, look at it. Even underneath the trunk
original.
looks awesome.
Yeah, we got a little bit of this still from polishing.
This was a new, different trunk lid too, and it had several holes in it, which you obviously made those disappear. Well, like I said, smoke gray poly for the win. I'm totally ecstatic about it. This dude knocked it out the park, and we're not even done yet. On jump, baby, for life.